Hey guys, it's Kimberly Crawford here. Just wanted to make another quick video. I'm getting a lot of questions with this Press One Cash. A lot of people are very excited, and some people are asking me, "Well, how can I use this to help grow my your primary business?" And very easy, right? So right now, if you want to incorporate this and help grow your primary business, you can do it this way. So what will happen is that once you sign up for Press One Cash, right, you're going to get your own system just like this. It's a marketing system. It's pretty much what it is. It's a marketing system utilizing SMS marketing, which is text message marketing. So once you sign up, you're going to get your own phone number. Now, once you get your own phone number, you can use that number to direct to any website that you choose, right? So if you're in the travel business, if you're promoting credit repair, it doesn't matter what you're promoting, you can use this system for any business. So if someone, for example, say you're promoting a travel company, right? And you have a ad that says, "Hey, learn how to make money and travel the world at the same time." Which is definitely a headline. Just gave you that for free. So learn how to make money and travel the world at the same time. Call this number right now to get more information. They call your number, and on their phone, now once they call the number, they press one. Is going to send them a text message to your phone with that website. So am I in my back office? I may be already. Let me log in here. All right, here we go. So you get your replicated website, right? Which is here. This is the product. This is the system that you could resell. All right. Once you log into your back office, it's going to show you how to, if you want to change, your website and put a different website in. Right now, my website just goes to my replicated website. See, it's the same one. That's just what I'm advertising. I'm just advertising the product right now, the actual system. However, if you want to advertise another website, all you have to do is plug in whatever website. So when they call this number, they press one. As you can see, a lot of people pressing one. So your website would definitely be out there. They press one. And I want to show you more people press one than hang up. Maybe one, you have all these people pressing one, and then you have that you can see how little the hangups are. The message that they're getting on the other end is a message that drives them to press one. So once they press one, whatever website you have plugged in here is what they're going to receive on their cell phone. So if you're selling travel, they're going to get your website. You're selling oils, they'll get your website. You're selling potions, they'll get your website. Whatever you're selling, credit repair, they'll get your website. So all you have to do is just share your number and get them to call, and then it's going to shoot them your website. Now, if you want to also advertise the actual system, and now you're making $200 payments, then you just advertise your website here, right? They give you a replicated website, so you can actually make two times the income. You can make income from your primary business because now you're going to be beefing up your marketing, and you can also make income selling the system itself. Because in my opinion, if you're serious about growing your business, you're serious about automating your business, then you want to have some type of marketing system. And this is duplicatable. So if you have a team, you have people under you, and you sign up, send them your link. Say, "Hey, I found a system that you can use for text messaging." Let them get signed up for that. Now you guys can just advertise a phone number. So you're marketing the same way. So that's pretty much how you can use the system to get double the income, guys, and use it for your primary business. We get a lot of questions. People are excited about the system. A lot of people saying they've been trying to find ways to market their primary business and also make some extra money. And this is going to be a great system for it. Again, once you get your system, they're going to give you a replicated website just like this that explains everything. So now you can resell the system, and then you plug in whatever website you want your prospect to go to. They go here. That's where you put it, and you can change it anytime, right? You can even change the custom message. If you want to change the custom message, you just send them a support ticket, and they'll change that for you. They'll change your custom message. If you want to change it back to the generic message, you can do that too. But as you can see, I'll let you know right now, this is my email account, right? My email account, I got another payment that came in at like 3 this morning, and I got a couple other people signing up probably before I go to bed tonight. So the system works. It's very profitable. A lot of people are starting to really catch on. Text message marketing is huge to help grow your business. If you want to just sell the product, you can. It's a great, great system for anyone who is marketing any product. Again, you can test it for yourself. Call the number, right? Call the number and then check your phone. It's going to send you my link. Like I said, you can put whatever link you want in this box to whatever website that you want, and you can change it at any point. So if you want to point it to market one product this week or market another product next week, you can do that. Anytime they call the number and they press 1, it's going to go to whatever website you have listed here, guys. So it's a great system, very automated. Once you sign up, you're going to get 100 free credits automatically, so you can start marketing right away. And the credits are very cheap. Let me just go down and show you. So if you get right here, if you buy 1,000 credits, it's $10. 1,500 credits is $15. So the credits are very cheap if you want to get additional credits. And you don't even, the thing is, you don't even have to get the credits. If, like, say if you run out of credits and you just want to advertise the website, you can just use your link, right? If you don't have any more credits, you don't want to buy any more, just use your link. If not, you can buy extra credits, which is very cheap, and use your phone number. But again, a lot of people have been asking, how can I incorporate this with my primary business? Bam, there you go. You put in your link right here. And when that person calls your number, they press 1. Your website is now text to their phone, guys. And as you can see, more people press 1 than not, right? A lot of people press 1. That means my website is going to a lot of people. A lot of people, that message gets them to press 1, guys. So if you want to get your marketing system, get with me. I'll leave the link below. Get set up and start promoting that phone number. If you can share a phone number, you can make money. Take care, guys. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.